Hello, good morning, children. Here we are again for our daily habit of listening to our story. Are you interested? Of course you are, because today I am going to bring you to the mountain province of Northern Luzon. The story that we are about to reveal today is about Ibaloy, the good Igorot boy. This is written and authored by Pier Angelo B. Alejo, and the illustrator is Larry A. Jolata. Colors by Lloyd Gillier D. Ivera. Ibaloy is a good Igorot boy. He is a good son to his father, Kabigat. He is a good son to his mother, Dauheng. Every day he wakes up early to help mother. Mother cooks some food to bring to father. Ibaloy fixes his things to bring on the way to teacher. When everything is ready, off he goes to the field happily. Good morning, father. Look and see. Something for you from mother. Father says, thank you, son. Before you go to teacher, come and eat with me. Together, they eat breakfast, cook fish, rice, goat's milk, and tapoy. After this, Ibaloy walks to school fast. Inside the school so small, teacher asks all the children, today, we will learn about gifts, big and small. Do you know what a gift is? Ibaloy raises his hand and says, yes, teacher. It is something someone gives that becomes hers or his. That is right, Ibaloy. Teacher says with a smile. You have given one in a while. Is it not your birthday today? Teacher asked. Yes, tomorrow is my birthday, says Ibaloy. And I give a gift every day by helping mother and bringing food to father. That is very good, Ibaloy. I'm sure your father and mother will be happy tomorrow. And especially you with a new G-string, a pet kitten, or perhaps a book or a new toy. I do not know yet, teacher, says Ibaloy. Father and mother are too busy working every day. I am not sure if they remember my birthday or if they have a gift for me, but that's okay. The next day, very early in the morning, Ibaloy wakes up to help mother. Mother and Ibaloy prepare some food and drink for father. Ibaloy fixes his things for his school. When everything is ready, he goes happily and smiles. He walks so quickly. In the rice terraces, Ibaloy does not see father. Father! Father! Calls Ibaloy. But father is not there. Back to their home, he runs fast. But his mother and father are not there. Where can they be? Tubaeg? Or rice granary maybe? Asked Ibaloy. What a surprise for Ibaloy to find everyone there. Father says, It's a special day. Let's celebrate Ibaloy's 7th birthday. Everyone greets Ibaloy. Happy birthday! A surprise birthday party for you, Ibaloy. Father says, gifts to show how much you care. Gifts to show how much you care. Look, all these are for you. A G-string, a pet kitten, a book, and a toy. And Mother says, to thank heaven now that you are 7. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, everyone. So that's it, children. Our story for the day. Did you enjoy it? Of course. Because this story tells about how Ibaloy becomes a good boy to his parents and teacher and to everyone else in the community. Now, can you give me what's the moral lesson of the day from this story that we have read? Yes. The story tells us how you can be a good boy or a good child to your parents, like Ibaloy in this story. That you have to be of help to your parents in whatever way you can. It also tells us in this story that you have to be grateful for everyone that is given to you, the blessings that is given to you by your parents, by your friends, and especially from God. And another thing, this story also tells you, especially my dear children, to always continue your study, even if the situation is very difficult. Okay? So that's it for today. And watch out for tomorrow, because I will be bringing you to the moon. Do you like it? Okay. So, for today, I am your principal, Romeo Dano, saying, bye-bye, take care, and I love you.